Dear students, in this video we are going to see about the latches and flip-flops. So as we know, the basic fundamental building block of sequential logic circuit is latches and flip-flop, which is used to store the one bit of informations, right? That one bit of informations may be 0 or 1. So it is a bistable multivibrator device that can store the one bit of information either 0 or 1. Right? The basic storage element has the two output labeled as Q and Q bar. Whereas in logic gates having the only one output, but that latches and flip-flop having the two outputs labeled as Q and Q bar. Right? The latches or flip-flops circuit constructed from the various logic gates. Let us consider that the latches constructed from a NOR or NAND gates. Here we are using a NAND gates. So the latches are constructed from NAND gates with the output of the one gate is feeding back to the input of other gate, right? Let's consider here we are using a two NAND gates, gate 1, gate 2, right? So the latch is constructed from a NAND gate with the output of the one gate is feeding back to the input of the other gates, right? So let us assume the output of gate 1. The output of gate 1 is Q, right? The output of gate 1 is Q. We'll assume it is 0. So since Q is fed an input of the gate 2, right? So it's obviously B value also 0. B value also 0. Right? Now the output of gate 2 is what? Here B value is 0. Then output of this NAND gate is 1, right? So the output of gate 2 is 1, which means Q bar equal to 1. So this gate output is again fed back to the input of the first gate, which means the input of A equal to Q bar, right? A equal to 1 means consequently the Q value is 0, right? So from this concept we can say that the output of Q and Q bar are always complementary. The output of Q and Q bar always complementary, right? And the circuit has the two stable state. One is Q equal to 1, which is called as the set state, and another output is Q equal to 0, which is called as the reset state. So in latch circuit concept is the output Q and Q bar are always complementary, and the circuit has the two stable state. One is Q equal to 1 referred as the set state, and another one is Q equal to 0 referred as the reset state. So this is the latch concept.